In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on Rainbet from United States. As you know guys, United States is blocked on Rainbet, but there is a solution. You can create an account on Rainbet and you can use it from US. For that, you need to use the VPN, and in this video, I'll show you how to use NordVPN to create an account on Rainbet. So, NordVPN is one of the best VPNs to have. I will leave the registration link in the description or in the comment section. You can click on the link, then click Get NordVPN, and you can choose the basic plan, which is totally enough for you. You need to choose the billing plans. There are 2-year plans. If you want to save a huge amount of money, you need to choose 2-year plans, or if you want the monthly option, you can choose 1-month plans. So as you can see, it costs $13, and when you get NordVPN, you need to install it on your computer or laptop or on your mobile phone. It doesn't matter. When you will have VPN, you need to connect to the Poland server because Rainbet is available in Poland and you can connect to Poland. So write Poland in the server list and click on the Poland, and now we can create an account on Rainbet. So let's refresh the Rainbet. So let's click register in the top right corner. So you need to enter your username, email address, and password. And if you have got referral code, you can use it. By the way, I will leave my referral code. It's George Basics. So you can use my referral code while making an account on Rainbet, and then you need to tick this one and click create an account. As you know guys, you can use Rainbet, you can deposit and withdraw money from Rainbet without KYC, so that's not a problem. If you are a US citizen, you can use Rainbet. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.